What's up, guys? Welcome back to this new DeepOnion wallet tutorial for Macintosh. Today I'm gonna show you how to import a new fresh wallet. Here you see that this wallet is gonna synchronize and downloading on the blockchain. As you see, start refreshing, and it's quite finished because I haven't updated for a long time. Anyway, you'll see when you finish that the sign here out of sync will disappear and we're back in business. So to start and import a new fresh wallet, just simply go to Finder, go to copy this code library application folder, and simply go to the DeepOnion folder. As we did with the backup tutorial, just simply copy this backup and paste it wherever I want. In my case, I paste it here in my desktop. Also, in this case, you don't need that, but it's easier. Copy also the deeponion.conf file, copy and paste it over here in the desktop folder. So as we can see, here is synchronized and will be fine. Close this application, and after that, it takes a while. We delete all the file over here, so we can start and download a new DMG file from deeponion.org. The application is closed, so now we simply delete this file. Okay, now we go to deeponion.org and download the DMG file, as we see in the previous tutorial. After you download it, you're gonna find it under the download file, the DMG, double click it, launch the application. You need to verify. You can choose go and trust the developer. And as you can see, back in the DeepOnion folder, the file has come back. So just simply copy and paste it, your DeepOnion wallet, choose to substitute them, and close the application and reopen it. And after it downloads all the blockchain, it's back to the original. So in this case, we have a new fresh wallet just installed. Give it some second, relaunch the application, and of course you need to sync. It takes a while. The deeponion.conf, inside this file we got all the nodes. We can choose to open it with TextEdit, and we can see that there is some nodes. It starts syncing. Of course, you need to download all the blockchain, and it can take a few hours. So I hope this was helpful, and enjoy DeepOnion. Bye, guys.